The trial of the four men charged with plotting to kidnap Governor Whitmer continues today, with the defense continuing to present its case.
Attorneys are expected to call witnesses who they hope will present the alleged plotters in a different light as they attempt to question the FBI's methods in all of this. And of course, it comes after the prosecution rested its case yesterday. Nick Monticelli following all the developments with this case as it moves into another phase. Good morning, Nick.
Yeah, Jason, good morning to you. It will continue today, these arguments and these questions from the defense attorneys. And this is nothing out of the ordinary. Defense attorneys are usually taking this opportunity to paint their clients in an entirely different light. Up first yesterday was the defense for 24-year-old Daniel Harris of Auburn Hills. He is charged in the kidnapping conspiracy and also faces explosives charges. His attorney called witnesses who met Harris in the summer of 2020. That was 22-year-old Megan Cooley of Shelby Township. She testified her boyfriend was friends with Harris and often was with him and other members of the Wolverine Watchmen. The first meeting was an evening get-together. Cooley saying just a bonfire. They were talking about guy stuff, politic-y things. Harris's attorney asked, "Anything to cause you to have concern?" She responded, "No." Cooley then said at a trip up north, the atmosphere was light and silly. Again, the attorney asking, what was the mood these guys were in? Really goofy. Typical of these guys? Yes. Prosecutors, however, planned a recording of Cooley's boyfriend making the statement, "Nobody talks, everybody walks." Prosecutors also called the girlfriend of defendant Barry Croft, who described him as anti-government, telling prosecutors he didn't like the government. He was anti-government. The government was not for him or help the people out. They just line their own pockets. That girlfriend then broke down, describing a moment with Croft and his young daughter, Croft telling her, "Honey, I am making explosives. Can you get out of here, please? Thank you. Some things you can't do with Pop. Do you know what I mean?" As you probably figured out, cameras are not allowed inside the courtroom. That's why we're using graphics and drawings to kind of depict what's happening in there. So same thing will happen today. More arguments from the defense, more question of witnesses and character witnesses. So we'll keep tabs on it. We'll let you know what happens. We're live here downtown. Nick Monticelli, Local 4 News today.